And a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means. Drive her all up the partition, please.
Hey pretty girls and the poppin' girls, you are back here. It's such a joy. I am Joy, and today it's gonna be a new video. You guys know I don't want y'all to try to box me into only doing hair on my channel, so I'm trying to add some new stuff in. And so today I decided with my best friend, let's do the best friend tag, which we supposed to do like months ago, right?
Yep.
So we're about to do it today because we have time. And you guys don't know, unless you follow me on my other channel, then you probably don't know my best friend. This is my best friend, Brianna. Say hey, Brianna.
Hey, YouTube.
So yeah, she's natural too, so yeah.
It's okay. Natural trust is under this good old unit. Protective styles all year.
Okay.
Preach.
Today we are going to be doing the Bestfriend Tag.
But that's okay. We can
Say it again.
It's my birthday weekend, y'all. We've been drinking a little bit, so.
A little bit.
Aight. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah, but you gotta explain how it goes because I don't know.
So basically, like, it's gonna be like different questions, and I'm gonna ask them, and some of them we answer together, and then some of them gonna be just for you.
Bet.
Okay, so the first question is,
I'm nervous.
what's your favorite memory of us together?
Bro, it's so many. It is so many because like homecoming was definitely a great memory, even though you don't remember homecoming.
I don't even remember that.
It was a great memory for me, and we was together, so that counts.
Aww.
Your graduation party was lit. All of our birthdays, bro, it's too many to even name one. Like, yeah,
That's a real one.
yeah, it's too many.
Okay, so the next question is, what is something that annoys you about me?
Preach on it.
When I don't know, it's about to get too deep for you too.
Hey. Preach on it.
Because sometimes you be acting like not everybody is out to get you, and I understand that everybody have trust issues,
bruh.
but you can
That's
always
true.
like, well, you just I don't know. I understand like you don't trust
Wait to
people,
talk
but
about
you know
this
never not have to not trust me. You can always trust me, and I don't like the fact that you keep stuff bottled up. Yep.
She knows me.
It's gonna make me cry.
You need to be quiet. This ain't your channel.
It's just real emotion in here.
If I was stranded on an island, what is 3 things I would take with me?
Logan, your hair products, and probably some chips.
Bro, can I have my phone with me too,
I was gonna save your phone, but you don't be even in your phone like that sometimes. So that's why I said chips, cause you.
I like you, cause Corey would definitely say the opposite.
See.
I mean, I knew I wasn't gonna be on this list.
No, what I'm talking about, first of all, you and your feelings. Because I'm talking about, you would have said I'd be on my phone all the time. I'm always on my phone.
I'm so
Oh yeah.
I agree with you.
leave me at home.
Describe each other in 1 word, and
3,
I'll do it in, okay, Evan's gonna count.
1.
Ambitious.
You are kind. You kind to me. You so sweet. Now to everybody else. She be sweet to me. I don't know. You are so sweetheart. Now, don't let her have to turn up, y'all. When Joy gets the cousin, it's a problem. When she turn up, she turn up. But my best friend is sweet. She is the sweetest.
See, I be saying that too. You are kind when you want to be.
Yeah.
But then you.
Out of the both of us, who always gets their way?
Both of us. True. Both of us.
That's crazy.
We get our way regardless. Like, we gonna do that shit however we want to do.
And because
we gonna do it whatever we want to do when we want to do it, because you can't tell us what to do. I think that's why we get along so well, because yep.
Y'all be enabling each other.
Yep.
Hey.
Preach on it.
I don't be enabling.
Period.
I don't be
Period.
enabling.
Yes,
No, I don't. I don't be enabling. I be
She
telling
don't.
the truth. She just don't.
I just do what I want to do. Right?
Exactly. Sis
Sis
will ask for an opinion, or not even an opinion. Sis will ask you what she should do, and you tell her, and she's gonna do whatever she wants to do. And I'm like, okay, so what's the bad? Like, and this is with anything. Like, okay, why did you ask
She
me?
just wanted to remind her that she got a good friend.
Bro.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
what it be.
that's a Capricorn thing.
Yeah,
No
that's what
bullshit.
it be. Like, let me just
Well,
make
let
sure
me
these
test my
niggas don't
nigga.
care
For real.
Who is my favorite YouTuber other than like myself?
That was a good question.
Well, it used to be Queen Naja, but is it still Queen Naja? No, because y'all don't even be on YouTube anymore, right?
She do still be on YouTube, but I haven't been like watching her YouTube.
I don't know them people. What's them people that just got engaged?
My dog! She talking about De'Ara and King.
Yeah, I was about to say De'Ara and King, yo. That's funny.
Okay, on 3. What was our first jobs? 1.
Whoa.
2. Whoa.
She said, girl, that's a long time.
I thought this was gonna be easy.
All right, go ahead. I think.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Chuck E.
McDonald's. Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Mine's a Chuck E. Cheese. Hers is McDonald's.
We're on a roll.
That's it.
The only person.
So, what is your biggest pet peeve about me?
That shit was echoing there for a minute.
You.
I was like, let me think of a question.
My biggest pet peeve about you is how you get mad so quick. And not even the fact that you get mad, because I get mad quick.
It ain't even
But the fact
mad
that when you get mad, you don't project it just at the person that you mad at. You project it on literally everybody who's around
Fuck
you.
everybody.
That's my biggest pet peeve. I'm like, God dang, like I'm trying to be nice and now she mad at
Hold
me.
on. I see.
Oh, it went out.
I'm sorry.
All right, we good. We back.
But yeah, I was like, dang, I'm just trying to be nice and she being mean to me. Hello. Like, first of all, I didn't even do nothing. And I still try to talk nice because I'm like, okay, yes, it's the truth. Everybody knows.
It's only
Everybody
crazy.
in this room
I gotta
knows
agree
the truth. And if you
because
You mean? That's
it's a Capricorn thing though. Once we mad, bro.
no, I'm talking about her sign. I'm
No,
literally
but
talking about
it's
me.
real.
I know a lot of Capricorns, and I'm sure I'm talking about Brianna. And like everybody know when Brianna mad. It's like, ah, dang, there we are.
Everybody
She the whole mood. But yeah, that's what it
y'all
is.
bitches ain't gonna be.
Exactly. Or she just act like she don't be bothered with literally no bad. It's like,
Like, damn, what the fuck?
yes. She hit us all when she mad at one person.
You got the ad libs on.
Yeah, anybody asking Nicole side. When was the last time I was mean to y'all? Okay, before yesterday.
Like, first of all,
Before yesterday.
correct.
That's funny.
So this is going to be the last and final question, and we're both going to answer it. Okay, so this question is: if you and your best friend could live anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why? And basically, like, we don't want roommates, so basically, like in the same area. So
Right.
basically, like we living in the same place. So where would we go?
Might be the same building.
Maybe. Hey, can we have our house?
I was like,
we can live across
we
the
can,
street or something.
yeah. Across the street.
Yeah.
Or we can be neighbors. I mean, it don't matter.
Y'all still neighbors?
We can have one of those whatchamacallit houses. Nah.
A duplex?
No.
Nah, the ones that got the
Why don't you get a plot
the
of
strip
land?
across.
I was
Why
about
don't
to
you
say
get
we
a
could
plot of
just
land
and then we
you
could
have
just
a
be
house?
No,
there.
I honestly think we
But
should
just
live in the
question
same
it.
city. Or I'm not the same city, the same place.
Neighborhood.
No.
Oh, not the same
Same
neighborhood.
state.
Because when you have an attitude, I might still gotta see your attitude. I don't want to see your attitude. So,
ain't trying to
Y'all,
do
my
that.
attitude is not that bad. It's not.
Look at you.
Really not that bad.
when she is mad, it is that bad.
Whatever.
Mars.
Where are we going next though?
First of all, I think we should go somewhere where the weather is nice.
That's
But then
what
I
I
like
was
the
saying.
seasons though. Well, maybe we
I
should
only
pick-
like fall. That's the only season I like. It's summertime because the nights long. But
Well, where should we go?
I was gonna say somewhere tropical.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
But it can't be a lot of bugs because we don't like those. Well, I don't like
Tropical
those.
without a lot of bugs. Never gonna happen.
And then it can't be nowhere cold. That's it.
So basically, we don't know.
Right.
We'll let y'all know in the next few years when we get our lives together where we are.
Yep.
But anyway, so thank you for being in my video.
Yeah. Thank you for having me. Cause I'm a pretty girl with popping curls, even though these curls ain't real, but they still mine.
They don't know that. They don't know that.
So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notifications so you'll have, wait, hold on.
Oh.
And turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video so you'll never miss another video. And
Comment below.
when you comment below, let me know if you want to see like more videos like this. I mean, I'm probably gonna give it to y'all anyway because I don't want to just be stuck doing just my hair or other people's hair. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Everything I work for, everything I got, now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat and he gon' never make no move. I heard he be there anytime you need him, he come through. Now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for him.